Alright, what's going on, everybody? And it's Chris Nader here, also known as Pay Entertainment, and welcome back to another awesome video. Where today, I already showed you the video of me going into the hotel, and this is going to be my room. So, I'll set my card. I'm not sponsored by Domino's, by the way, or this hotel, which is Best Western. And here is our room. I think it's a pretty cool room, but we've got our bed, which we've already kind of messed up. If you don't know, we're at Monster Mania, which unfortunately you're not going to get to see any videos of it because they won't let me film in there. But go on my Twitter and Instagram, and you'll see some stuff from that. A nice little TV there, a coffee maker, my mom's glasses. My mom's in the bathroom right now. We got her stuff. Some books and a table, this bed again, that chair, and that table. It's nothing too exciting, really. We got a bathroom in here, which Mom's gonna get. I can't really show you that right now. That's a heater, which Mom's in the bathroom, so I can't really show you that. But then we got, that's basically it. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you that also. I got my Stranger Things hat signed by Sean Astin himself. Super cool. But anyways, that's it on our beautiful hotel room. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a like down below, and comment if you are here in Monster Mania as well. Anyways, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.